You guys, I am in the Costco. We have hand dip long stem strawberries. They're $12.99, so $13. Grapes right now, 3 pounds, $6.79. I haven't seen organic grapes in a while in Costco. $6.59 here for red. Organic Gala, a 3 pound is going to be $5. For organic apples, they do have the lemon. The lemon is a 5 pound for $9. Oh, that's pretty good for a lemonade. So they have organic limes, but not organic lemons. These are going to be $8, and that is a 3 pound bag. Nectarines, a yellow nectarine, a 3 pound is $5. My daughter loves this. They're like $2.99 a pound in my Kroger for organic. These are $5 for 3 pounds. Blueberries are $4.89, and this is an 18 ounce. 3 pound, we have the fruit trays, $10.99. It looks like mango. Oh, what else is in here? Grapes, pineapple, cantaloupe. Creamy Italian salad is $7, and you do get 2 bags here. Organic Caesar salad, a 24 ounce, which is $8.99. I've actually been having trouble buying or finding salad in my local grocery store, like romaine lettuce. Sweet kale here, $5.99, and that is a 28 ounce. Now they have organic Mediterranean crunch, which is $5. Not bad. We have broccoli, carrots, red cabbage, cauliflower. Okay, that's a good one. And more organic, like baby spinach, which is $3.49, so very inexpensive. This cost me more in my local grocery store. That is 1 pound, and you can also freeze it too. $5 for 1 pound of organic spring mix. So hearts of romaine are $5.50 here. This is kind of too big, but they do have a smaller version in Trader Joe's. A 5 count is $4.50, the romaine heart. So if you want organic strawberries, it's going to cost you $12.99, and that is a 2 pound. 2 pound for $12.99. That is crazy. Organic blueberries, these are $7.50, and they also have organic blackberries are $5.99. White shrimp, which is going to be $5.50 a pound. Let's see, $22, 22. And this one is $10.99 a pound, so $32. Farm raised, product of Thailand. Pork belly, fully cooked. This one is $7.79, so $17.84. $8.99 for a petite tri-tip steak. You get 6 steaks in here. Yeah, they are tiny. Let's see. So $28.32. I say just, if this is 20, almost 29, just get the yeah, make your own. Honestly, it's just cheaper. $6.89 for raw organic sauerkraut, and no limit ends March 5th. So I found Irish stew, USDA choice beef, slow cook with potatoes, baby carrots, pearl onions. Oh, I could just make this at home. It's gonna be $20.47. Yeah, I know it's easy to prepare, but if you have a large family, you're going to pay $20. This probably will only feed, depending, like, you know, teen boys, they eat a lot, especially if they're in a sport. But that looks good, right? Butternut tofu curry. Ooh, this is a new one. Gluten-free, just add rice, $14. Ooh, that does look good. I love butternut. Vanity Fair, you get 240, $8.79. Your limit is 2, ends on the 12th. $11.99 for, you know, forks, spoons, and knives. Honestly, if you want to pay about $12, you guys, I think you're gonna have a better deal in the Costco Business Center, because you get 1,000 for the same price. So that's it. Limit 10 ends on the 26th. $10 from 14 if you want to try it. Again, cheaper right now here compared to a Sam's Club, and I do recommend it. The Kirkland peaches are $12.49 and they are really, really good. $8.79 for a 32 ounce. I am out. I finally ran out. I do love this avocado, not avocado. I do like this mayonnaise.
Want to get it?
So they brought out the spring candy, $15.89, $8.99, which is a pretty decent deal. I mean, you can always like pre-make like breakfast sandwiches and freeze them. And your flowers, these are $20. $20. And of course the forever flowers are still around. So I found an 18 count of ground sirloin. This is going to be $25.99. Plump and firm and lift. This is going to be $49. And Olay is $31, ends on the 26th. Isn't that weird that regular like M&M, like the color, they're cheaper than like the pastel Christmas ones. These are $13.89. Honest shampoo and body wash, a lavender will be $12.74. Your limit is 5, ends on the 12th of March. Optic white, okay, this one is $18.49. Your limit is 5, ends on the 12th of March. And toothbrushes are $10. Your limit is 2. This one ends on the 26th of this month. And these are great too. You know, I always try to buy extra just to have, especially when I'm traveling. And liquid turmeric is a 28, ends on the 26th. You get 365. Your limit is 15. This one ends on the 26th here. And for children, $8.69. Your limit is 5, ends on the 12th. And $8.69. You get 365. Ends on the 26th. Your limit is 15. This one's going to be a non-drowsy. Nasal strips are 20, and of course you get 72 in here. Opens your nose. This one is extra strength, and they're same price at 20. The combo pack, okay, is $15.49, ends on the 20th. Your limit will be 5. And the gummies are 15. Your limit is 5, ends March 5th. Alright you guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end this Costco video. Okay, these are 11. They're ultra thin. You get 88 here. When does this one end? On the 26th. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.